In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Code in the app and CLI. We'll start in the web or desktop app. Open your Claude app and select Claude Code. This environment is tailored for coding with an editor, a console, and a tight loop between your prompts and the code it generates. For most coding tasks, choose the Claude Code model. If you're working on something more complex, like larger refactors or deeper reasoning, switch to Claude Opus 4.5. That gives you extra headroom for tougher problems while keeping the coding experience smooth. If you prefer the command line, open your terminal and type Claude Code. This launches Claude Code in CLI mode. You can pick your model with a simple command. For example, type model Claude Code 4.5 to use the Claude Code 4.5 variant for heavier tasks. The CLI is great when you want to stay in your terminal, automate a bit, or work alongside existing tools. Next, create or open your code. To start a fresh file from the CLI, run /new main.py. If you're already in the Claude Code app, you can either create a new file or open an existing project or file. Use clear file names and the right extensions so the environment knows how to run and lint your code. Now write code. You can type directly into the editor if you know what you want, or ask Claude to generate or fix code for you. For example, write a Python script to read a CSV and print errors. Be specific about the language, input format, and what counts as an error so the result matches your expectations. When you're ready to test, run your code. In the app, click the run button in the editor. In the CLI, use /run main.py. Your program's output will appear right in the console, which makes it easy to verify behavior and spot issues. If errors pop up, don't panic. Ask Claude to help. You can say, fix errors in this code. It will suggest edits or rewrite sections to resolve the problems. For best results, include the error message or traceback so the fix is precise. You can apply the suggested changes directly, then run again to confirm everything works. Finally, save your work. In Claude Code, save the file as you normally would. If you'd like a local copy, export it to your computer or project folder